So MACH was postponed a few weeks ago to the disappointment of many of us. But we're all now looking forward to MACH 2021. So if you can't wait until then, MTD has a special treat for you on the 5th of May. We're bringing you, in the comfort of your own home, most of the new innovations that were set to be on show during the week. We're already busy creating the content and can confirm we will be showcasing new innovations and, in some cases, never seen before technology from Mazak, Fanuc, DMG Mori, Goering, Zeiss, Herco, Tornos, Colchester Machine Tools, NCMT, Heinberg, Romy, Star, Citizen, LK Metrology. Seriously, the list goes on, and that's just the start. We are building a dedicated website, details to follow, that will host all of the companies mentioned and more, exhibiting and discussing the products that would have been on show at MACH 2020. This is the first time that this has been done, and you will be blown away by the production and amazed at what we've created in such restricted times. More details will follow in the coming days, but for now, mark May the 5th in your diary and tune in to MTD.